Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Diamond Paints with Mike here, and today we return to Amazon. I found another tiger which has sadly not been able to make it for this year, but I quite like the look of it, and oh wow, this is an interesting pack. Okay, that's interesting. Normally we get either the painting and the drills, or the painting like laid out flat and then they're tucked underneath, but this seems to be all jumbled up, which is pretty good. But yeah, it's a tiger cub, and I really loved it. And as you can see, he's got the eyes here, look at that. And as you can see there, it's like sitting on some flowers and stuff. Now when I looked at the image, it did look animated, so I was like, oh, I don't know how this is going to be. But it looks absolutely gorgeous. Oh look, plenty of bags. I've been wanting some of them. I actually need bags again now, because when I do like the Disney stickers, I need to keep the spares just in case. And look at this, guys. This is a 30x40. It's a SHOAO coding, and we've got the 23 colours on the Shemetic. But look at that. He's a happy, jolly little tiger cub. In the forest here, you've got some leaves and stuff. And as you can see, he is sitting in the foliage of the forest. It doesn't look like he's sitting on a rock, but he just looks so cute and really happy to be in the forest. And yeah, I think that's going to be quite a lovely painting, which is really good. As you can see, the eyes we could probably swap out for some brighter colours there, especially I've got a drill that looks like a turquoise colour for the like the crystal drills. So what I might do is put a turquoise in there and then darken it up with a dark blue crystal. But yeah, there's the pink bits as well, and it's also got that lovely light balance of like a sun reflection going down his back there, and I just thought that was absolutely stunning. For £3.15, I was like, that's a bargain, and it's coming home with me. So that's the painting, and we'll just take a look at the drills. We've had a bit of spillage there with the cubs on the teeny one. We've got a white, a purpley colour. I do quite like that colour, and waiting to get a painting where we can actually use that colour. But yeah, these are sort of like the drills that I'm thinking. And then I've got a turquoise one, which I don't know where that is at the moment. But anyway, we've got a brownie sort of plum sort of colour there. And then in here we have a very interesting bluey green there. We've got a light blue grey. We've got some escape eagles in there. Look, some of these packs have got mixed colours in. We've got a reddy sort of colour, a green, a blue. I have had colours where they've given you two different shadings in one pack, and you sort of have to work with the same colour that you choose, but I suppose they put two in just so you can make your mind up on what one. We've got a brown, we've got a grey, a very sort of minty green colour there. I'm not liking that very much. It looks like it's dirty. And then we've got like a very vanilla sort of colour here. And then we have a brown, another sort of browny colour. We have a dark grey, and we have a green, very sort of army sort of colour there. And we've got a couple of packs of this. That's probably a bit darker than this one here, but it's a nice sandy sort of stone colour there. Again, a sort of wishy-washy yellow, and a grey, and a blue, and a grey, and a grey. Why they couldn't have done that, I don't know. But they like to split it up. But anyway, that's the painting itself, and then we'll just take a look at our boat. And as you can see, it's a standard boat here with a nice double chunky piece of wax and a pen, and obviously some bags. And I was rather hoping they had some bags in, because when I do the stickers, because they're so small, I do like to keep the spares. And I have no other storage tubs, so they're going to have to go the old-fashioned way of going into bags. for the minute. So yeah, but I thought that was absolutely gorgeous and I had to have it. £3.15. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of future uploads. All that does is give you a notification that a video pops up on the channel, and obviously subscribe to the channel. It's totally free of charge, doesn't cost you anything, and if you watch the channel you might as well give it a subscription as well. And then you can stay up to date with all the videos that I do. And yeah, if you want to get this for yourself, the link's in the description. Have a lovely day ahead, and we'll see more of Amazon unboxings coming very soon. Take care, catch you later.